Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. We are back again in a new video, right? And I just want to bring this quickly and sharply to you because a lot is going on. People have come out to criticize the Biafra Liberation Army. Some are praising them. Some are saying a different thing. But all I can tell you is that it's good whenever you see bad, please condemn evil. All right. We are not promoting any negativity here, and like I said, I'm not here to analyze anything that has to do with security, Biafra Liberation Army. I'm not interested in that. Let's focus on the message that this Biafran commander, what he wants to say. All right, the video is in public. Nobody sent it privately to me. You can see it on social media. So, hear what he said. I want you to listen to this and tell me what you think about it. What is your take in everything that we are going to hear? Because I think he made mention of some names. He called names and he said something about them. Very, very important. Here it is.
Wonderful people of Biafra, lovers of Biafra all over the world. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on your time zone and location. Today is 23rd of August, 2025. There is an update. There is a current update and the current situation that is going on in Ewooh, my maternal home. Until I got one hojo na moano hojo na eme n'obodo nne m sipụta. There is a name I'm going to call. These people are the people that causing every damn insecurity in Ewooh State. Listen. These people are the reason why there's a big insecurity in Ewooh State. And there is another guy who is disturbing on social media doing blah, blah, blah. You think that Biafra is comedy. You think we are doing blogging. Let me tell you, whatever they call Cash TV, let me tell you, you don't know what you're doing to yourself. You're just coming online talking Arab nonsense. Do you know how many innocent souls that Ebubago have wasted in that state? You are talking nonsense. Instead of you to talk and call for intervention of your people, they are doing nonsense, bringing all sorts of blaspheming videos. Let me tell you something. You, Gideon, or Ezemoke, or whatever they call yourself, on that Cash TV, you are doing content, thinking that Biafra are not watching you. We are watching you. And remember you have families. And I believe that your families will know that you don't need to call as a brother. Your families, I know that wherever they are, they will know that you are not worthy to be their son. Let me tell you. And I want to use this opportunity to greet the Major General Igwe Butozo, the general of all generals, the general of all commanders of Liberation Army. Ebobola Ali Igbo Oshere, Ebobole Bitere. Ana make a leg now. We don't got the reggae. On your bala na chogen down horror that. Makande na won ha viga umuna hanu ha hana ha many nozo. The whole ha many. If you don't know like these names I'm going to call because and I want him make that na men we are exposing somebody that have helped you in one word or other. But educational discipline that they want us to start exposing them. Yes, we have to expose them because because of their selfish interests, because of their political selfish interests. Actually, governor, senator, forgetting that they are come to convince people that kidnappers are threatening them. Kidnappers are doing them all sorts of things in Ewooh. They call the help of instant security network, which Nnamdi Kanu is aware of all these things we are talking about today. Because of the killings and how Funanis are maltreating the Ewooh State people, men have to go for their intervention. Now, men have go to that place. These men, more than 21 men, they are in number, they are in the group. They came and asked their friends, General Butu, so please call your men so that your men will come and defend our land. Now, General Butus have taken that risk to pull up men, different states. Men now came to Olo and fight these terrorists, fight against insecurities, fight against kidnappers, fight against the Boko Harams, the all atrocities that is going on in Olo. Men have calmed that place down. Now, because of their plan did not work in politics, they are not turned against. I'm going to mention their name. Please bring out pen and paper so that you will not make a mistake. There are more than 21 in numbers, but you're going to mention these are the pillars. Forget about their agent. Obinna Jonas Okeke, please don't quote me out of content. Obinna Jonas Okeke, number one. I hope you'll be watching this video. You know how you helped. You know how you helped Biafrans. You know how you convinced General Butuzo so that he can pull up men in different ways, different states to come and defend all states. Now men have come and defend all the states. The only response, the only appreciation people will bring is to go and recruit Funanis, recruit all the whole bandits, all the whole terrorists in North and bring them to us to be against the people that you people brought in to defend you, to defend your land. Now you people are not turning against them with Ebobago. Everyday war. Currently, there's a very brutal war going on there in my own maternal home. When all this is happening in Oso, I was one of the Biafra Liberation Army. I came to that place. And we fought with our last blood. But now, the regard and the respect and things we need, and from them now, is start insulting General Butuzo, the man that took risk. Do you know what to pull out, man? The man that took risk to safeguard his land. Ikenga Sunday, okay. You know how you supported. You know how you knelt down. You know how you pleaded to General Butuzo. Please look at, we are dying. Hello, people are dying. Now, you people will now jeopardize against the Biafra Liberation Army, against your people. Don't worry. I believe that Chukwuka Biama will visit you people one after the other. Young barrister, BC. Young barrister, you know yourself. You know how you pleaded. You know how you pleaded. You know how you pleaded, you and your family, or just a family, and you people know how you people pleaded. And Emeka, your brother, too. Amaka Ocheze. You people know how you people come in mask. But now, you people are now bringing all the blames and Biafra Liberation Army. Because of people think that everybody have go back to their state to go and safeguard. No, we are in missionary work. Any place that kidnappers is disturbing or terrorists are disturbing, we shall invent that place. That is our work. And that is what Nnamdi Kanu said us to be doing, and we are doing it. So you not come and block our way and you think that we will leave you. No, your head will go down. So all these people know how they contributed in Biafran restoration. But now they are not against Biafrans. This month, Madumere. You want for also. You know what? You know the kind of atrocities that is going on also that make General Butuzo to pull up men to come and fight for you guys, to pursue the crimes, the insecurity that is going to, the kind of rate of kidnapping that is going on in Anambra Express Road. The boundary between Anambra Express Road, Olu, and Anambra. People know the kind of kidnapping that is going on there. But we came that place and make every situation to calm down. People are not turning against us. People are not turning against us, have the mind to come on social media to be saying nonsense with your stupid media. Saying your name is Cash TV. You are using Cash TV to cash money from also people, not to give them updates, or you have to bring a solution there. You are just fooling yourself. You are just fooling yourself. You're a big fool, my dear brother. Let me call names so that you know I'm taking much of your time. Emeka, Irele, you know how you really helped us. You know how you really helped men. Anthony Madumene, your family pleaded on behalf of insecurity of what is going on in our law to Major General Butozo, the commander of all commanders in Biafra Nation. Chinonso, Ezeke, you people know how you people contributed. Jerry Alaboso, you people know how you people contributed. Madoka, you people know how you contributed. Please, you people should write this thing down. Those people are the people that helped the Biafra Liberation Army. These people are the ones that invited them. They should come. That make General Butozo to pull his men in different states, in the whole 40 states. He pull all his men. I'll go and ask about this, I'm telling you. And one of the people that fought for those kidnappers, the kind of thing that is going on there. Now, the return is to bring Ebubago terrorists to recruit people. And not telling us that they brought from Tupoye that you should come and take amnesty. Why? The people that you people provided gun, bullets, and then now let the people because of your political interest that you should not provide amnesty so that the government, you people will be doing guy and government that people will have men. So because of we disagree on that nonsense, amnesty people are coming up with. Now you want to turn against Biafra Liberation Army. Let me still be calling. Bishop, you know how you contributed. Bishop, you know how you pleaded. Ozi, you know how you contributed. Ibu, you know how you contributed. All these people and the rest of them, they know how they contributed in making Biafra's Liberation Army Instant Security Network then to come to also. Because men are in different states. They are, when Commander Butozo ask men, they should come. Look at what is going on in my state. Kidnappers want to take over, Fulani herdsmen want to take over my land. And my brothers are pleading. They are, hey, now men now came and defend you guys. People are not bringing threatening words. But no, I know that one day Chukwu Kabiama will bring you people out to judgment. Thank you.
All right, you have heard it all. And like I said, I'm not analyzing anything. I have a lot of things to say about this, but for the sake of my promise and what I said to myself, I'm not going to analyze men on ground or anything going on now. I have to end it here. So tell me what you think about your conversation. Very, very important. But before I end, there's something he said that now that men have gone back to their various states, there's something he said there. I don't know if you noticed that. But like I said, let me leave it there. Please tell me what you think about what he said now. And remember, a few days ago, Jacob made a video similar to this one, if you can recall. See you again. Please like the video and God bless you.
Please share and watch.